So from the previous video we had seen the external size of the staircase, the internal size of the staircase. Okay, so how to draw these steps, the landing, the width of the landing, width of the step and all. Okay, so this is the complete staircase plan we have drawn. So how to draw the section here? So we have seen here that after we draw the section, okay, so cut this section here, remove whatever is below the line and look in this manner or forward direction. So we are able to see the height, we are able to see the width, and we are able to see the slope. So we had discussed this about in the previous session. So you can just go back to the video if you are having any doubts about this. We are drawing the next step here. So what we are going to do, just draw very thin lines like this. Okay, just draw very thin lines. It should not be visible. Okay, just visible to you. Just from each step, draw like this. Now what we are going to do here is start at this point. Okay, this is the step. Start at this point. This is the first step, 150. Then this is 250. Again 150, 250, 150, 250, like this. Continue up to this portion. Right? So here, up to here we can see okay. So here up to this line we have taken, and this line just take like this. So now there are 11 risers here if you can count. So 11 risers, okay, from this line we have taken. So if you project these lines, it will be easy for you to draw this step. So this line take up to here, then just take 150 mm below. Okay, just take 150 mm. Why 150 mm? Because this is the landing slab actually. Okay, this is the top portion of the landing slab, but we are going to give a slab here at the landing portion. You can see here, this is the landing slab. Okay, so just take this landing slab inside the wall here. You can see this is the wall. Okay, why? Because the section is cutting like this, correct? So the section is cutting through the door here, correct? So it is cutting through the steps here, it is cutting through the landing, it is cutting through the wall. So the wall also is to be shown here. Similarly here also, because this section is cutting through the door. Door means actually above the door there is wall, correct? Above the door there is some height of the wall. Therefore here whatever wall we are showing, we have to show the door also, because the door is also being cut here. So just extend here like this, very feebly. This should not be dark. Okay, so just take like this. So this is the wall here, and just show the door. Door usually the height is 2.1 meter. Okay, so nearly, so maybe somewhere here it may come, so not exactly. So just show the door like this here. You draw with the scale. I am not using a scale here. So this is 2.1 meter height of the door. So up to here we can see this is the landing portion. So just take a line below like this. Okay, not here, sorry, here. We have to take the landing slab inside the wall. This is 150. Okay, and just take half the line. Okay, don't take the complete rectangle like this. Okay, just take the half of the line or 1/4 of the line. Why? Because we have to provide a slope here. We have to provide a slope. As I told you from the previous videos, what we are going to do, just very thinly draw a line like this. Okay, up to this portion. Okay, then from this line take the thickness of the waste slab, whatever is given in the question. So in this question they have given us 120 mm, or if they have not given also, we can assume the 120 mm as the waste slab. So from this line measure 120 mm. Okay, so somewhere here it may come. Okay, like this. So don't take this line up to here. Okay, because we have to take like this. This line we have to take it forward here. So this line is there, this is the waste slab, we took like this and we are going to join like this. Okay, so this portion is called the waste slab, this portion. So this portion we are going to show the concrete here. And this is the landing slab, this is concrete, this is a wall here. Okay, so here you can see this is a door, so this is wall here. And now you can see in the question they had given us height of the flight. Okay, height of each flight 1650 mm, that is, this is the first flight. Okay, then we have to take the second flight here. So now if we can see, each step is 150 mm. Okay, so each step is 150 mm, this is the 11th step. So 150 into 11, how much it will be? 1650. Okay, so from this point to this point. Okay, or I can measure like this. So this will be 1650 mm. This is the first flight. Okay, so the second flight we will continue in the next video.